it's Aaron from ABR Creations. In our last tutorial, we learned how to do the slip stitch, and in previous tutorials, we learned how to make the slip knot, that is for working in rows. But now we want to make 3D objects called amigurumis. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make the magic loop or the magic ring. For your convenience, I have posted a link in the description which will redirect you to the previous tutorials which I've created in case you have missed them. So, let's get started. We take our yarn, make sure that the tail end is facing downwards. Wrap the yarn around your index finger and your middle finger to create an X shape. Uh, then Then put the working yarn between your ring finger and your pinky finger to hold it in place, and then close those fingers down towards your palm. Then turn your hand, making sure that there are two parallel lines where your nails are. Then take your crochet hook and go under the first bar and on top of the second bar, bringing that second bar under the first bar. And then twisting it like to make a loop. Now go over the first bar and yarn over and pull it through to make a chain. Then let go of everything. Congratulations, you have made the magic loop. Okay, let's start by crocheting 6 single crochets into the magic loop. Okay, that is 1. And if you're not comfortable, you can pull this a bit tight to make it a bit smaller. 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's our last one, 6. Once you're done, we will pull the tail end tight enough to close the magic loop. Be careful not to break your yarn, as if you break your yarn, you have to start all over again. Okay, then count back 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for round 2, we'll single crochet again 6 times into the magic loop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's our last one, 6. Then once you're done, chain 1. You can just cut the yarn and pull it all the way through. You have now learned how to work in the round. You can also do half double crochet, single crochet, whatever. But today I just showed you how to do the single crochet to make it more easier.